In the unforgiving Arctic, survival is a daily battle.
Erik Hansen ventures out into the minus 71 degrees Celsius world he calls home.
Every day brings new dangers: hunger, cold, and predators.
In this extreme environment, every detail matters.
Fire is life here, the difference between warmth and frostbite.
Predators are never far, moving silently across frozen plains.
Every meal must be earned through skill and patience.
Success in the Arctic comes from careful preparation.
Cooking provides both sustenance and comfort in the cold.
Each movement must be deliberate, conserving energy and heat. Danger approaches silently, a reminder of the Arctic's harsh rules.
Experience teaches calm, even when survival is on the line.
The Arctic tests both body and mind relentlessly.
Shelter is not just comfort. It is survival.
Predators sense weakness. Every mistake can be fatal.
Preparation is key in the Arctic wilderness. Even small tasks take focus when temperatures are deadly. Every ounce of warmth matters.
The Arctic is vast and merciless, yet he remains undaunted.
Water is a precious resource. It can mean life or death.
Storms arrive suddenly, demanding vigilance and courage. Every tool must be at the ready. Nothing is left to chance.
Predators adapt to the same harsh environment, always hunting.
Fire is both protection and comfort, a lifeline in the cold.
Nutrition fuels not just the body, but the will to survive.
Nature's fury is relentless, testing endurance every hour. From above, the Arctic is both beautiful and unforgiving.
Every survival skill must be practiced consistently.
Smoke signals life amidst the vast white wilderness.
Resourcefulness turns small victories into sustenance.
Even in isolation, survival is an art. Every gust reminds him of nature's power and patience required.
Water must be obtained carefully. Ice can conceal danger.
Movement across the Arctic requires precision and awareness.
Proper insulation is the difference between life and frostbite.
His tiny shelter is a fortress against the Arctic's cruelty.
Understanding predator movement is essential for safety.
Maintenance is constant. Neglect can be deadly.
Patience rewards the vigilant with brief moments of calm.
Tools must always be ready. Precision saves time and energy.
Every snare is a small step toward survival.
Predators adapt constantly, testing his vigilance.
Fire warms the body and strengthens resolve.
Every meal is earned through patience and skill.
The Arctic beauty is harsh, yet mesmerizing to the vigilant observer.
Even the smallest comforts are treasured.
Threats never vanish entirely. Caution remains constant. From above, the scale of survival is both daunting and inspiring.
In the end, perseverance and skill turn isolation into mastery of the Arctic.